Hey guys, it's Sam and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bathroom. Yes, I covered my towels with this tapestry to make my video cuter. My boyfriend is playing Smash Brothers outside, so if you hear him, that's why. And I can't get him to talk quieter, so it is what it is. So today we are going to split dye my hair with Arctic Fox Electric Paradise. It's honestly just the only color I really have right now. And I'm doing split because I feel like I won't have enough for my whole head. But also I've always wanted to try to split dye. So why not? What better time than the quarantine present? It is currently 1 a.m. So in quarantine time, it's like 10 p.m. for me. I actually did a test strand right here, just kind of to see how it would come out, if I would like the color on me. It faded a lot peachy, but I'm actually really into the peach. Like I've had like orange hair before and peachy hair before, and I think it's super cute. I was actually saving this hair color for EDC because it's like a neon UV reactive hair color, and it was gonna be so cute, but now EDC is in October and this is the only hair dye in my house, so I'm gonna put it in my hair. And I know my hair looks like I know this is just such a terrible blonde job. I'm sorry. I am using conditioner and mixing it with the hair dye to create this concoction. Okay, so I only try to use half of this because I want to be able to have the opportunity to do the other half if I hate it, you know? Hopefully the conditioner stretched it enough. So I tried to section it. I guess I'll start in the back. Here's this. I'm regretting this already. This is hard. I don't want to go back to old ways. I want to try and be more efficient about doing this because I don't know about you guys, but I have spent the majority of my quarantine binge watching Brad Mondo's channel where he just reacts to people destroying their hair. It's addicting and it's making me I'm just going for it. I give up. It just made me realize how terribly wrong I have been all these years about doing my hair. You know what's amazing to me is our confidence to like not only bleach our hair, but we have this confidence in ourselves that we're like, yeah, we're gonna bleach our hair, but not only that, we're gonna film a tutorial of ourselves bleaching our hair. Like we know what we're doing. We don't, not at all. I mean, I try to put a disclaimer that like my videos are not tutorials, but you know, there is a certain sense of tutorial how-to aspect to making videos like that. All right, let's check in the mirror. Well, you can probably see, but I can't see. Okay, I can work with that. Trying to figure out that spot was so hard.
Kiss me forever till my lips bow together. Hold me so close to you, devour my sweater. Touch me so softly and caress me so gentle. Love city, baby, let me be your adventure. Dear Maria, when around your neck, you think you a goodie, but you ain't no saint. Hold me, baby, and I ain't a snitch. Why is he really bad? He thinks he can get away with things.
Alright guys, I am going to leave this in for as long as I can possibly stand it. Probably like an hour, hopefully. It's 2 a.m. now. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
We're up to the sunset. You wanna start me up, and sometimes I just need you to try and take it easy. You're not even mine.
Yeah, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I dye my hair again, stay safe. I love you. Bye.
Be doing and I don't respect that.